Okay, so before we start today's video, if you have any video suggestions, just put them in the comments and I'll try to make a video on it. Now first, click controllers. For standard controller, make sure that is selected for whichever port you're using. Same for your emulated Wii remote. Then click configure and motion simulation. Then choose any button. For instance, like shake, I chose Y. That means every time I click Y, it'll be like shaking a Wii remote. And for tilt, click a left button and click a right button. And then every time you click those, it'll be like tilting your Wii remote. And same for point. You can use your second thumbstick and you can do that to point at things. Like with the Wii mouse. Like that. And for swing, it's the same thing. Just choose your buttons you want to simulate swinging and save it, and you're good.